Hello. Client want us to do a presentation to him now. Live, okay? Thanks to Meet now.
Albert, I can help you.
Don't tell me you got team marker.
No, I got something better. Microsoft Whiteboard.
Whiteboard. I also have.
Let me show you. Microsoft Whiteboard allows us to draw and write ideas on a shared platform instead. So client can give instant response to get the final result at a shorter time.
Wow, good. 委派啊。
Good. You can visit the Microsoft SME Business Portal aka.ms/sgsme for more details.